Good day. My name is Gabriel Grant, and I'm enrolled in course number 2100-020 F218-0607. This assignment was basically about analyzing data that we got during the semester from our business simulation. The business simulation entailed managing a business with 3 to 5 persons, a coffee shop. The name of my coffee shop was Fast Frappuccino. In this assignment, we were asked to make graphs and explain our findings from our business. First graph we would look at is income and revenue. Revenue is basically gross sales, and income is basically the profit that the company made. This is all the money after expenses. We can see that in week 13, our revenue was 154,600, and our net income was 52,239. Our next graph we will look at revenue versus cups sold. Now, our average cups sold per week approximately is 2,710 cups, and the most we ever sold in a week was on week 12, which is 3,826 cups. This can be seen in the graph. This shows that it is a unimodal contribution because we can see that there's only one peak. Unimodal contribution basically is when there's one group of people purchasing the same product, or one group of people with the same characteristics. So for example, the amount of people that purchased from our coffee shop, they were most likely living in the same area or around in the same city. Our last graph, we'll look at the competitor sales. Now, these sales here, we can see that the sales for the different businesses, Cafe Titan, Aroma Mocha, or my business as well, we can see that my business made the least amount of revenue over a period of time. But we can say that even though it made the least, the sales did increase, which means that probably demand for products did increase over the period of time for all businesses. And we can see here by all the graphs, we can see that if we click here, we can see everything changes. We can see that Cafe Titan, they went up. That was their revenue at week 13, which was a lot higher than ours. And you can see different revenue for the different businesses. Everything will change. The week and the amount of cups, every cup sold, 37, week 13, everything will change. If we drop it, you can see earlier. We can see that Cafe Titan and Aroma Mocha, they were practically almost together, and we can see that this is the amount of cups that were sold during that week with the revenue that was accumulated for 32,100. So we can see that as we move along the graphs, that everything will change to show the effect of another graph.